Well, hello and welcome, and I am assuming that you're a big fan of salvias, otherwise why would you have clicked onto this video? And why wouldn't you be? You're probably very familiar with the cultivars such as hot lips, which I'm not a big fan of that, but you know what, it really does a fantastic job in attracting bees. And also the granitic black and blue, which is one that I really like. But have you come across this freaky little monkey? Now look at that, absolutely shocking pink freaky looking plant, and you may not be familiar with it, and I'm not surprised because we haven't come across it before. We only came across it last year when we saw this flower bud sticking out of a border at Nyman's Gardens, and I put it out to my lovely viewers, you are of course one of those, to say, I don't know what this is, can you tell me what this is? And I got a comment back telling me exactly what this is, and this is Salvia involucrata Hadspen. So if you, like me, love this lovely cultivar, then you can grow it, and they're pretty tough. You may need to keep an eye on slug and snail damage when it first goes in while it's small, but so long as you put it in a free draining border in full sun, then really this thing is going to romp away. You can probably expect it to grow to about 4 or 5 feet, although there are reports that this can grow taller. And really, apart from some staking, because the stems are quite, they do tend to snap in a strong wind, then really you haven't really got much to worry about. It's super easy. Now the only thing you might struggle with is actually finding one to buy, because you are unlikely to see these for sale in your local garden centre, but there are plenty of suppliers online which you can buy them at a fairly reasonable price. And once you've got them, they are extremely easy to propagate, to the point that you can take like a 4 or 5 inch cutting, take it down to a node, remove the bottom 3/4 leaves and put it in a glass of water. 2 weeks later you've got roots, pot it on. So there you go, Salvia involucrata Hadspen. I struggle to say that last name. Superb. I recommend it, it's brilliant, you should buy one. Anyway, thank you for watching, I'll see you in the next video.